Hi guys, welcome to Edu Wonders. Today I will be sharing you information regarding Indian Railways. The Indian Railways is a national railway system that is one of the largest employers in the world, providing jobs to over 1.3 million people. It operates over 115,000 kilometers of track, making it the fourth largest railway network in the world by size. The railway system plays a critical role in the transportation of goods and people across India, with over 23 million passengers and 3 million tons of freight being transported daily. The railway system is also known for its iconic trains, such as the luxurious Palace on Wheels and the famous Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Despite facing several challenges, such as outdated infrastructure and a lack of investment, the Indian Railways continue to be an essential part of the country's economy and infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon.